Now my friends, here in this article we will study what is mean by solution. What is mean by solution of linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables. What you have studied about the linear equation in one variable? In case of the linear equation in one variable, you have studied that, for example, I am having, suppose equation is equal to say 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. And what is mean by solution of this equation? The solution of this equation means such a value of x which satisfies the given equation. How we find it? To find that value, we solve this equation. How we solve it? By this way. Say, I will solve this equation as, suppose, here I will get 2x is equal to minus 4, I will take to this side, and I will get x is equal to now 4 upon 2. The value of x I will get it equal to 2, and this is, we call it as a solution of what? Solution of equation in one variable. But what is mean by solution then? Solution means if you put the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation. What is mean by equation? You know, equation, it contains equal to sign, a right hand side and left hand side, and equation, it tells us that whatever may you are having at left hand side and right hand side, the value of both the terms towards left hand side and right hand side is equal. Let us verify whether this is true or not. What is your equation? Our equation is 2x minus 4, that is equal to 0, and what we got the solution? X is equal to 2 we got. So in place of x we put 2. What is the sign in between 2 and x? Nothing, means into. So in place of x we will put 2, that is equal to minus 4, and to this side there is 0. And what is the 2 to jar? 4. 4 minus 4, here we will get 0. Thus left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this is the solution. What about the two variables? When linear equation contains two variables, then what is mean by solution of linear equation in two variables? It is same like a solution of linear equation in one variable. It has one and one solution only, unique solution. But you have already studied that a linear equation in two variable, it contains two variables. Obviously it will have two variables at a time present in the given equation, say x and y, and finding the value of x and y together will be the solution of the equation in two variables. And the values of x and y which we got, they must satisfy your given equation. Such type of values of x and y we got, it is called as the solution. It contains two variables in pair. For example, if I am having the equation, suppose 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. then you know this equation, it contains two variables. One variable is x and other variable is y, and you have to take such type of values of x and y that it will satisfy the given equation. Or suppose we will take another example. Suppose I am having equation as x plus y is equal to say 5. This is the equation which we have in two variables. At a time two variables are present in this equation. What you can say about the solution of this equation? Solution of this equation means the values of x and y that they will satisfy the given equation. What you can say, by simple observation you can take like this, that if you will take the value of x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then here if you take 1, then what will be the, what type of value you have to take of y, so that left hand side and right hand side of the equation will be equal. On the right hand side you have 5, so here 1 is there, so automatically the value of y will be 4. Thus there is 5 is equal to 5, so the value of y is equal to 4. And you know, these are solutions of the given equation, that they satisfy the value of this equation. And there is one procedure, of writing the solution of equation in two variables. What we do, we take a simple bracket like this and we write its solution in ordered pair, standard form, ordered pair. First of all, while writing the solution, we always write the value of x here, comma, and then value of y. And here what is the value of x? We got the value of x is equal to 1, and what is value of y we got? That is equal to 4. So the solution of this equation is written as in small bracket 1 comma 4 and is called ordered pair. Value of x you have to write always at first, and of y it is always written at second time. And writing the value of x at first and y at second, this procedure it is used all over the world in all types of countries. Okay, this is about the solution. In case of the linear equation in one variable, we have studied that it contains unique solution, but here it is not so in case of the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables can have more than one solutions. The values of x and y, they can satisfy the given equations, can be more, they are not unique. Okay, but they should satisfy the given equation. Now here, first of all, we got the solution 1 4, you can see over here. But if I will take suppose the value of, we have the equation x plus y is equal to 5, which is a linear equation in two variables, and if I will take the value of x is equal to 2, then by simple observation you can find out the value of y. What will be the value of y? You can easily say, to satisfy the given equation, the value of y here, it must be 3, so that their addition will be 5, and the solution of this equation will be what? Here you know, the solution of this equation will be 2 comma 3. Okay, again you can change. If you will take the value of x as 3, then of y you will get 2. Or I will take different value. If you will put x is equal to minus 1, then what should be the value of y? The value of y, x plus y, you want 5. If you will take the value of x is equal to minus 1, then value of y must be equal to 6 to get 5. 6 minus 1, 5. What will be solution over here? Here you can get the solution as minus 1 and 6. Like this, one equation, only one equation can have infinite number of solutions in case of the linear equation in two variables. What type of conclusion you will get? In case of the linear equation in one variable, it has only unique solution. But whenever there is a linear equation in two variables, a single equation can also have the different types of infinite number of solutions it can have. Okay, so this is difference between the solution of a linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables. Okay.